everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and for being here today. If you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Hi. It's been 200 freaking years and I'm so sorry. There's been a lot going on. I have a new job. I have a new camera. Applause. Praise the Lord. I have a new camera. I have a new backdrop. I mean, I'm just the new and improved. But today is a very exciting video because I have received a huge box of products from Hush. I'm just really pumped about what's inside. So basically, Hush is a website that is very affordable. So it has very affordable makeup products, tools. They have like a $2 section. They have just affordable makeup products, and you know me, I'm balling on a budget. So I'm always about finding affordable products, and not just affordable products that kind of are like, whatever, like good products that are very pigmented and last all day. And I'm wearing one of the palettes that's inside. But basically today I'm going to do a swatch video. I'm going to kind of show you some of my favorite palettes. All of these palettes were $10. I will leave the link below. So one of my biggest things with drugstore makeup is I feel like I can always find really good face products. You know, there's always a lot of trial and error that goes with drugstore, but I can never find like good drugstore palettes. And these palettes are only $10. There are a lot of dupes for very high-end products out there. Like a lot of them are dupes for Huda Beauty's palettes and like Modern Renaissance. So $10 and great pigment, like you can't beat it. So obviously like these products were sent to me, but I'm going to be giving you my, you know, utmost honest opinion on them. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palettes, my favorite, and then kind of go in order. So let's get started. Let's get started. I feel like I have a booger. These are the palettes that just kind of stand out to me. And I have been trying some of these out the past week or so. So I feel like I have a good impression on them and a good review. So these are the three that I have been grabbing for the most, what I'm about to talk about. Let's just go through them. So this one is the Bad Habit Aphrodite 18 color eyeshadow collection. So the first thing I noticed was they come in these the boxes that hold them, the packaging. I already took this one out, but they're very sturdy. I was very impressed with just like the quality of the packaging, because sometimes if you're getting a product that's a little bit cheaper, sometimes packaging is not that great, but it was very sturdy, and it actually took me like a minute to even open up the box, so I was really impressed with that. Gorgeous packaging. You open it up and hello, hi, we're here. So obviously this is a dupe for one of the Huda Beauty palettes. I forget what it's called. All of these mattes to this side, and then you have these gorgeous, some of them are metallics, and then some of them are actual like glitter shadows, like this one right here, Adore. Are you kidding me? Seriously, I'm kind of glad Mike wasn't here when I got these, because I was like saying, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Over and over again, because I just couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it! This palette I totally recommend. You have these, like a really pretty matte, which is always a staple. I feel like I really always appreciate that in a palette. And I mean, these are just gorgeous. Like this, I'm gonna use that on all my brides. Bride, wedding, I just can't. And like just the shade ranges. This one is the Athena palette, beautiful packaging as well. And same kind of sturdy packaging when I opened it. This is the Athena Bad Habit 18 color eyeshadow collection. This one I have given a lot of love to. The other one I haven't messed with too much other than colors here and there, but this one, oh My heavens. So the first thing I did when I saw this one was I went, boop. And then I went, boop. Are you kidding me? Like, you know, glitter shadow that actually stays on. Like if I were to use these, I would totally do like a glitter primer to make sure they stay on, but like the first swatch, holy goodness. So this is my favorite palette out of everything, so I highly recommend this to you. We have some really beautiful matte shades, so I like to use this really peachy shade and this orange shade a lot. I haven't even messed with this yet because I'm just so excited, but I can't handle how pretty they are. The next one that I love is the Bad Habit Aurora palette. You open it up, and so to me this looks like, I think this looks like the Modern Renaissance. I told you I am very fringy and I don't even buy into those like beautiful palettes that come out. But Anastasia Beverly Hills, I know they have a palette that looks like this, and these are so pigmented. I just can't even handle how, like, it's just too good to be true. Like, I remember I swatched this one the night I got it and I was like, what? So this one is absolutely beautiful. I love like the just different shades that are in here, and so pigmented. They last all day. Here is the Royals palette, so like it comes in a nice sturdy little holder. This one I haven't even messed with because this little guy just fell off, but this one's nice because there's a lot of mattes. So other than this one, and this one, they're all matte, so that's really nice. Definitely like a more romantic, pinkier undertone. Really pretty colors. I like this mid-tone orangey brown shade. So, I mean, goodness gracious. Love it. Ooh, that's beautiful. I feel like you could do like a really pretty Valentine's Day look with this one. This one is called the Inferno from Bad Habit. So I guess there's different brands. So a lot of these are the Bad Habit. Everything has been Bad Habit that I've showed you so far. But I think there's different brands, maybe? Like seriously, here's an example. I'm trying to open it and I can't because it's like in there. Really pretty box. I just can't, like, I have pretty sturdy hands. That's kind of weird to say. All right, come on. Why is this not coming out? Okay, we're Houston, we've made it. Inferno. This one I have no experience with. Open it up and then you lose that little piece of paper. So this one, I feel like Inferno. Must sound like the Urban Decay one. I really like that they're all squares. These are just beautiful. They're like really warm browns. And I don't know why I haven't messed with this one yet. Here come the swatches at ya. This one is intriguing because it's blue. Great, I have to open up another freaking box. I mean, I'm getting in here. So that's one thing I was just really impressed with. Like, you know, it's $10, but it's very good quality packaging, good quality products. They last all day. Like, I've worn this eyeshadow look like 3 times and I feel like it lasts all day long. So, oh my gosh. If they hadn't sent me these, I would totally buy them. Oh my gosh, come on, dude. Like, this is what I'm having to do. Come on out. So this one is called Bad Habit Retro Love. Open her up. Ooh. This one has some funky shades in it. Maybe this is the Modern Renaissance one. I remember having the yellowish shade. Ooh, you about to be my bitch. Sorry, I'm not an amazing beauty vlogger because I don't know the difference of what the dupe is supposed to be. Quit it. Oh, we're not about to start barking. Turd ass nugget. That yellow shade, and then also like that green shade and the maroon. I mean, gosh, this is so freaking pretty. And then we have some highlighting palettes. So I know these are supposed to be dupes for I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be dupes for the Huda Beauty as well. So this one is called, I have messed with these too. So this one is called the Paradise Highlight Kit. It came in another box, but I've already taken it out. So here's the Paradise Highlight Kit. We're opening her up. How freaking pretty. I'm very picky with highlighter shades because after acne and scarring and stuff, I feel like I get texture. But these are very pigmented. So there is a sister palette as well. So basically the top corner is a cream, which is very interesting to me. So pretty. So I kind of like that. And then the rest of them are blushes. They're highlighters. This one is the Oasis Highlight Kit. Child, I'm driving nuts. So same kind of thing. This one looks more golden. So if you have a little bit more of a deeper undertone or a darker skin tone, this one might work out for you. Because you can tell it doesn't have that like really light white shade. So same thing, this one's a cream and then these ones are powders. I like that they both have a pinky shade. That way, like if you want to have like a really poppin' cheekbone with your blush, you could use that as blush. Stop. She's testing me. I feel like what I'll do with this one is in the summer, because this one's a little bit too dark for me. So she is popping my bubble wrap. I can't. Go! I feel like in the summer, I want to use these darker shades like on the body and on the shoulders when I'm all tan. So very impressed with the pigment of these. Like, are you kidding me? Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meep, meep. I can't handle the beauty. There's 2 more highlight shade kits that I will show you. These ones are very interesting to me. This is definitely the hype. So this one is called the Unicorn Glow. Unicorn Glow by Face Candy. So every palette that I've showed you so far has been by Bad Habit, which is one of the brands that Hush has on their website. This one is by Face Candy, so we must be getting into another brand. So here is the Unicorn Glow. Like, hi, that screams unicorn. Bam. Look at these fun. I think these shades are definitely like iridescent. So it starts off with like a greeny shade. Like, I just don't find myself using these, but they're pretty, so I will show you those. I mean, like, the pigment is psycho there. 1, 2, 3, I can count. And then I'll do the bottom shades. Like, I just don't know what I would do with that blue one, you know? I think it's totally like a Instagram phase. But like, these three are pretty. These are a little bit more glittery, I guess. But like, hey, if you are into, these two don't look kind of powdery. That blue is pretty. I would probably use them for eyeshadows. This one is gorge. The packaging is so pretty. This is called the Rosé Highlight Collection by Bad Habit. So most of this is Bad Habit. I didn't even realize that. So that is beautiful. So to me, that's like Anastasia Beverly Hills dupe. So we have a lot of Huda Beauty dupes, and then we have a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills dupes. These are beautiful. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam. The middle shade is To Die For. And then we have bam, bam, bam. I just can't. Ah! If you were a highlighting queen, I don't consider myself to be a highlighting queen. I consider myself a disco ball gal and a little loving on the cheekbones, but like, I am not a highlight connoisseur. I know some girls are. So if you are, I would definitely recommend the Rosé palette and then the Paradise and Oasis palettes from Bad Habit, the Huda Beauty ones. I mean, goodness, if you're trying to get your game on with this Instagram makeup, I mean, that stuff is so expensive. These are all $10 a piece, and the quality is there. They're all so pigmented. It's just, I can't handle it. So thank you so much to Hush for sending me these products. I know for sure that, you know, if I ever run out of some of the eyeshadow palettes, like, I will be buying from Hush now. And they have lashes, they have foundation, they have concealer, like, they have everything. So now I'm intrigued and I want to go buy a lot of stuff. So I think if you would like me to do another Hush haul, like this video and I will totally do that. I will do that. So basically that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I was sent, and like, this is a jackpot, and I'm just so glad they sent it to me just so I can see that it's legit and it's very pigmented and very affordable. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!